Welcome to How It's Fixed. This is 2016 Honda Civic. It's damaged from the front left side. This car has alloy rim, sunroof, side camera. I think it's 2016 Civic EX model. Again, it's damaged from the front left side. The light is busted, bumper, half piece is gone. Doesn't look like there's any frame damage. Yeah, the way these lights are, I think they took out the light. What's this piece? It's broken. Yeah, it is. It's whatever it is, it's broken. The tire is flat, a little bit, not too much. Fender was broken or damaged, give or take. No impact on the windshield. Since it's the left side, the damage also made an impact on the door. You see the damage is right there on the door. It's also here. This is the driver's side door, by the way. A little marks here. A big chunk of it on the left side rear door. You see? It'll be really interesting to see how we fix it. Also made an impact on the quarter panel. The lock looks fine. It's squeezed in. It looks like we can do something about it. So let's see if we could. Curved here. A little impact on this side. By the way, this it comes like that. Sorry. Okay. Impact here, there, and here, and also here, and the rear bumper. Okay, the rear bumper also broken from the bottom side of the tail light. Now overall, this other side looks really normal. No impact I see on the right side. It's crystal clear inside the car, by the way. Oh, there you go. So this is the broken light. Let's see. There, here, and also from as soon as you see there's an outer piece inside the light, leave it. Think about buying it somewhere else cheap. And the other part of the bumper. So both these pieces rest in peace. They left the fender inside the car, and let me take it out. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Compare this with a proper fender and you will see, or you can sense what kind of a impact of accident was it. There is no roof airbag, neither on the driver's side, and since there's no impact on the passenger side, so no roof airbag damage on the passenger side either. Sunroof, yeah, it does have. It doesn't have leather seats, and it doesn't have navigation, because I think touring model does. Seatbelt is good. The passenger side one, it's also good. Oh, look at this. What is this? I think it's for fragrance. Yeah. Maybe this car was owned by a girl, or where did we put the key? So at night when we leave, we always take out battery terminal. It's a good idea to take it off, even if you go into big auction companies. So most of their cars, they take out the battery terminal to avoid any misfortune or mishappening, because you never know. They can short circuit if there's any kind of wiring issue after the accident. So it's always a good idea to take out the battery terminal at night. Let's go and take a look at the dash. Yeah, Honda. Okay, I like the way the Honda Civic dash brings up the stuff to you. It's all digital. I see like this side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know one is for the seat belt, but the second one is for the airbag. If the airbag is not deployed and if it still shows the sign of airbag, then there is 100% chance that you have to reset the module. As I've told you in the previous videos, there are two ways to do it. You can either buy the new module, or you can either hire a professional to come and reset the module, because they have a computer like specifically designed to reset modules. And as per the kilometers, this car is driven 44,803, which is really less than what it's supposed to be. It's 2016, keep in mind. On a year, the average is 20,000 kilometers. It's not that much driven, that's for sure. Good. Let me turn it off. Okay, so this is 2016 Civic. let's see how it's fixed. Since we are fixing the doors, then we have to take out the door liners for both of the doors, the front one and the rear one. After the door liner, we also have to take out the complete door to fix it. This includes the door harness and the side mirror. Now it's all good to take out the door. Now we have to take out the front bumper. The typical process always starts opening the clips from the bottom. Then on the sides. And finally, from the top. Just to give you guys a little update for now, we ended up fixing the quarter panel. We ended up fixing the same door, which was like the other way around, twisted. We are yet to put the rear bumper. You guys saw that we tried to fix the dents on this car, and we also put a little Bondo, not too much, but as much as it's needed. This side of the hood is also fixed. We usually try to put less Bondo or body filler, you say. We always try to put whatever it's needed. We don't try to overfill the car with. So we did put the front bumper. Still waiting for the fog light cover and the logo. I've kept it with me and I'll be putting it back. This is the bumper bracket. Once the quarter panel side is fixed, we have to put it right there because it has these clips that it holds to here, and I think 2 more. Once we fix the quarter panel and paint the car, or maybe before painting, the body filling part is done and a little bit more repair I guess it's needed. After that we will put this bumper bracket. But this is the condition so far, so whatever and whenever we finish our cars, because it gets really dusty, it gets really dirty, we always send it for detailing once we finish up the car. If you're thinking what's on top of the car, that's the rear bumper. So we had to sacrifice this door. It's because this handle side is twisted here. This side is okay, but this side is twisted. There's no point of fixing it because there will be a big huge gap once you put the handle. So we had to sacrifice this door, even though we did a lot of work to prepare it. We were pretty much close in terms of repair, but it wasn't worth it. And what we did was we bought another door. It had a little work to be done, which we ended up doing. Roughly all the body work is pretty much done. Just the painting part is left. We did work out a lot in terms of repair, and it was all good to put a little body filler because that's what every bodyman in the world does. But we tried to fix it in the best possible way. Yeah, this is almost close to finish. We are still waiting for that front fog light cover. As soon as it comes, we will put it back, and I'll catch you guys in the final stage of the video. Alright, so finally it's done. We finished up the car. It's completely repaired. I also received that ending piece from the dealer, and we also did put it back. It looks extremely beautiful after the repair. This was the side that was damaged, you remember. We also ended up repairing this side of the hood. This was the door that was damaged. You don't see any mark on it right now, so the work was flawless. I did show you guys we had to change the door, which we did. The paint, not on a usual basis, but this paint really mashed up. This is the quarter panel side. Remember, the rear bumper was broken. Looks extremely well. So this is how it's fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the entire process. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.